The laziest rice cooker hack. Corn beef and onion rice. コンビーフの炊き込みご飯。150 grams of rice, Japanese short grain. Wash the rice until the water runs clear. Soak in water until ready to cook later. $100 grams of onion. Cut into 4 wedges. One tablespoon of mirin. 1 tablespoon of Japanese soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of sugar. A dash of dashi powder, such as hondashi. A generous dash of black pepper. A dash of ajinomoto. Mix well. Put the drained rinsed rice into the rice cooker pot. 220 ml water. Add the seasoning base made earlier. Mix well. $80 grams of canned corned beef or ground beef. Add a red onion. 40 grams of corn. Adjust the amount to your liking. 10 grams of butter. Never mix the ingredients with the rice. Place them on top of the rice to prevent undercooking. Set the pot in the rice cooker. Cook on the regular white rice mode. If you have a mixed rice mode, use that to cook. Mix well when cooked. If you want to make a large portion, keep the total amount of ingredients half the capacity of the pot to prevent undercooking. Sprinkle with black pepper to your liking and serve. 今日の料理はコンビーフの炊き込みご飯でした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.